Hello everyone, my name is Namain Melati with student ID 23412036 from class AKT 23A. In this session, I will be presenting a learning material that is both interesting and important for you to understand together. Here is the explanation.
The influence of leadership discussion on employees refer to how choice made by leader affect employees' behavior, performance, motivation, and overall workplace dynamic within an organization. Leadership discussion shape the direction and priorities of an organization. Employers often look to leader for grit and clarity in characteristic situation. The way discussions are communicated can impact employee understanding and effective leadership discussion can inspire trust and confidence among employees. Poor discussion, on the other hand, may lead to confusion and dissatisfaction. Therefore, leadership discussion play a critical role in shaping employee outcome. Leadership discussion also determine how employees perceive fairness, transparency, and organizational support in their work environment, which can significantly influence their attitudes and level of engagement. When employees feel the discussion are fair and well justified, they are more likely to be committed to organization goals. Conversely, unclear or bullshit discussion and reduce trust and morale. Leadership discussion also influence organizational culture and values. They set expectation for behavior and performance consistency in the discussion, making it important for maintaining credibility. Thus, leadership discussions have a direct and indirect impact on employees. Leadership discussions have a strong influence on employees' motivation as they determine reward, recognition, and opportunity for growth within the organization. When leaders make decisions that support employees' development, motivation increase, providing fair compensation and recognition encourage employees to perform better. Leadership discussion also influence job satisfaction and engagement. Employees are more motivated when they feel valued and appraised. Clear and supportive discussion help employees understand their role. Therefore, leadership discussion play a key role in motivating employees. On the other hand, ineffective or unfair discussion can lead to to decreased motivation and lower productivity among employees, which can negatively affect overall organization performance. Lack of transparency in discussion making may cause frustration. Employees might feel overlooked or undervalued. Poor leadership discussion can also create a negative work environment. This can increase employees' turnover and absence. Management must consider employees' needs when making decisions. Thus, leadership discussion directly impact employee motivation. Leadership discussion significantly affect employee performance by setting clear goal expectations and standard that guide employee behavior and productivity within the organization. When leaders provide clear direction, employees can perform their tasks more effectively. Decision making also determine the allocation of resource and support. Employees perform better when they have the niches carried through and guidance. Leadership discussion influence performance evaluation and feedback system. Constructive feedback help employees improve their skill. Therefore, leadership discussions are essential for enhancing performance. In addition, leadership discussion influence teamwork, collaboration, and communication, which are critical factors in improving employee performance and achieving organizational goals. Effective discussion promote a positive work environment. Employees are more likely to collaborate when leadership is supportive. Poor discussion may create conflict and reduce teamwork. Communication play a key role in performance improvement. Leader must ensure that discussions are clear communicated. Through leadership, discussion affect both individual and team performance. Leadership discussions have a significant impact on employee satisfaction and engagement, as they shape the overall work environment and organization culture experienced by employees. When leaders make decisions that prioritize employees' well-being, satisfaction, increase employees feel more engaged when they are involved in decision-making process. Transparency and fairness in discussion build trust. Supportive leadership creates a positive work atmosphere. Employees are more likely to remain loyal to the organization, therefore leadership discussion employees satisfaction and engagement. Conversely, poor leadership discussion can lead to dissatisfaction, dissatisfaction, and a lack of commitment among employees, which can harm organizational performance and stability over time. Employees may feel disconnected from organizational goals. Lack of involvement can reduce engagement. Unfair treatment can damage trust. Negative work environment lead to low morale. Leaders must consider employee perspective when making decisions. Thus, leadership discussions are crucial for employees' satisfaction. Decision making is a fundamental process in management that involves selecting the best course of action from several available alternatives in order to achieve specific organizational or personal objectives effectively and efficiently. It requires identifying problems, gathering relevant information, and evaluating possible solutions based on certain criteria. Decision making is not only limited to manager but is also applied at all levels of an organization. The quality of discussion significantly affects organizational performance and outcomes. Effective decision making helps in minimizing risks and maximizing opportunity. It also ensures that resources are used optimally to achieve desired result. Therefore, decision making is a critical functional in both business and everyday life situations. The concept of decision making includes both rational and behavioral aspects that influence how individuals and organizations choose among alternatives under different conditions and constraints. Rational decision making assumes that individuals making logical and objective choices based on complete information and clear goals. However, in reality, decision making is often included by psychological, social, and environmental factors. Behavior aspects such as emotion, basis, and past experience can affect the final decision. The decision making also involves incarnate and right, which must be carefully managed. Organization of use structure, approach, and model to improve discussion quality. Thus, decision making is a complex and dynamic process.
Thank you for watching this learning video until the end. See you again in the next session.